Pterodactyl here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the belt on this here Wacker compactor. So we're going to replace the belt. So the first thing you need to do is remove these Allen head screws to remove the cover. And then with a 1/2 inch socket and an impact or a socket wrench, you're going to remove these 4 nuts that won't come out of the socket. Now the new belt is a 1/2 by 29, which we got from our friends at ProPartsDirect.net. It's a true blue Stens belt. So simply get the belt around the lower pulley and then put it up here onto the engine one. Now what a lot of people try to do is put it around the engine pulley first and then try to walk it on the lower one, when all you need to do is just take these 4 nuts off. Slowly tighten them up, because the belt may want to get pinched in there. So give it a spin. And do this one next. That way you're tightening the pulley without having the belt in there. And don't tighten them too tight, you don't want to snap these studs off. There you have it, there's your dinner. So, that's all there is to replacing a belt that quick on one of these here Wacker compactors. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. That's me, next to Slippers and Junior. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram with your compactors. Wow, ground's vibrating, they're following me. Go to our web store, buy some Taryl apparel, you gotta look good. Like this shirt here that says there's your dinner on it. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Quick belt replacement!